Hello everyone, welcome to Size Zero Recipes. Today we are going to make a high fiber, high protein breakfast slash snack option. So we will be taking two medium sized bananas. Peel the bananas nicely and then we will mash the bananas with the help of the back side of the fork. Remember, here we have to take the ripe bananas as the ripe bananas are more sweet and will enhance the flavor of the cookies. We will mash the bananas very nicely. Now we have to add 1.5 cup of oats. Here I have taken quick oats, but you can also take the rolled oats, or you can also simply grind the oats and take the oats mixture. Now we will be adding chocolate chip beans. The chocolate chip beans which I have taken are sugar free and vegan. You can take any dark chocolate as per your choice, and you can add on the cinnamon powder or the nutmeg powder for elevating the taste. These things are totally optional, it's up to you. And I have also added 1 tablespoon of peanut butter for enhancing the taste and for binding the cookie. Now we will mix all these ingredients nicely and bind all the ingredients to make the cookies. Now we will take a baking tray, and along with that we will also take a baking sheet, and now one by one we will spread the dough of the cookie in a round shape, and we will also flatten these dough so we can give them a proper cookie like shape. These cookies are so instant and easy to make and gives a quick solution to your hunger prank. So you can see I have spread all the dough on the tray, and now we will start the baking. Now we will bake the cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. It smells so nice that oh my god, my hunger is going to be on the next level. So now we will take out these cookies. So you can see there has formed a brownish goldenish shade of the cookie. One tip which I want to give you is that you eat these cookies when these are little warm, because these taste yum at that time. Now enjoy these cookies and do let me know in the comments about that.